and 10 make a whole. So that would be your final answer for that one. Okay, so look at this one right here. This one actually has 3 numbers, so we have to find something that all 3 of those become. So here we go. Let's do it this way. 9. Can 3 become a 9? Yes. But can 6 become a 9? No. Okay, 18. Can 3 become an 18? Yes. Can 6 become an 18? Yes. So on this one, we're actually going to turn them all into 18ths. 18, 18. How do we go from 9 to 18? Times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. How do we go from 3 to 18? Times 6. What you do at the bottom, you do the top. So 1 times 6 is 6. And how do you go from 6 to 18? So 6 times 3. What you do at the bottom, you do the top. So 15 times 3, or I'm sorry, 5 times 3 would be 15. Then you got to put them all together. They are 18ths. That does not change. That's their name. So 8 plus 6 gives you 14 of them. And then 14 and 15, well, 10 and 10 make 20. And 4 and 5 make 9. So 29. You wouldn't go around saying 29 18ths. You know 18 makes a whole. And then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 29 18ths is the same thing as 1 whole. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 slices. And 18 make a whole. You cannot simplify that anymore. Okay, now let's do subtraction. Same thing. You can't subtract fourths from 12ths. They're not the same thing. So what can 12 and 4 both be? Well, they can both be 12. That one's already there. How do you go from 4 to 12? Times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Now you can easily subtract. 11 twelfths minus 3 twelfths is going to be so many twelfths. That's their name. So what's 11 minus 3? Well, that is 8. Is that simplest form? No. 4 can go into both of those. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 11 twelfths minus 1/4 is 2/3. If you have 11 twelfths of a pizza, okay, 11 twelfths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 twelfths of a pizza. And you take away 1/4 of that, which would be this right here, right? That gone. Then you still have this left here. But if you split that like this, then you would have 2/3 left over. Okay? So let's look at this next one. 7/8 minus 2/3. Well, those both can become 24. I have to hurry. I'm going to run out of space again. 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 8 is 16. They both are 24ths. 21 minus 16 would be 5 24ths. And nothing can go into both of those. Okay? So let's look at the next one. 7/10 and 1/4. They both can become 20. If you wanted to go to 40, you could, but 20 is easier. Okay? So how do you go from 10 to 20? Times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. How do you go from 4 to 20? Times 5. 1 times 5 is 5.